Well, asikubingelele Imbizo podcast kunjani? Well ke sesikhona once again. This is episode 6 esikuwona. Uyazi sihlezi sikulethela ke well izinto ezikhala kahle in terms of ingxoxo, se-engage nabantu esisuke sinabo la sikhuluma khona izinto ezahlukahlukene, where we try by all means ukuthi i-guest yethu ihambe nayo ihebu noma ngikhulumile yonke into ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma. All right? Ungasilandela ke enkundleni zokuxhumana kuma socials Imbizo podcast, Imbizo TV kuma socials, igama ke le podcast yethu Imbizo podcast. All right? Khumbuleke ukusubscribe bese upressa nali button, le button izokwazi ukukulekelela sekutheni sikunotify makwenzeka ke siposta ke anything. Igama ke ngumxolisi uStressless ngingowakaMhlongo Isibongo. So today sino uyaziwa kakhulu, right? Nami emsakazweni ngiyaba naye lapha ezweni lomzansi. Then ama radio stations amanye ahlukahlukene I am inviter, ama TV stations I am inviter. And inkulumo namhlanje ngizofuna uyilandele ngenxa yokuthi sikhuluma kakhulu ngezinto ezithinta umthetho today. And I don't know noma uyanothisa yini ukuthi political parties, you know, politicians bayisana ezinkantolo ngokuhlukahlukana, you know, neminyango eyahlukahlukene yisana ezinkantolo. So we need ukuthi sithinte zonke lezo zinto lezo. So today sino uMr Mpumelelo wakaZikalala. Khuzeni
njengoba nakubingelele ngihleze ngijwayela maningi lama camera namhlanje.
Yeah, maningi lawo
Ayathanda ubabona.
uhlezi uthola A1
Ithole eyodwa nje ngoba ngiyibhekele mina kodwa hayi mfethu. Ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ngibe khona la.
Sure, finally mfethu sakwazi ukuthi sibe nawe today, especially ke kuyona Imbizo podcast. I know ukuthi kunesikhathi silokuhlela ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ufike. Ngiyakhumbula at some point sake sathi no, sovele sirecordele estudio phakathi ezweni lomzansi, yabona, sivele siyenze ngaleso sikhathi leyo. So sokubonakala after ukuthi ke kwenzakalani. Sure. Okay, usuka ezingolweni
Egama lakhe.
egama lakhe.
Yes. Mothi South Coast ufike igama lakhe Shepstone bese uyaqala.
Yes.
Ngokuzalwa khona eShepstone isibedlela.
Yeah.
Kodwa nje ngahlala igama lakhe primary, igama lakhe lower primary.
Yeah.
Ngasuka ke after sengiyofunda mina ngisathi standard. Standard 2.
Yeah.
Ngabe sengiyongena ePortshepstone Senior.
Okay.
From Portshepstone Senior ngathi Portshepstone High.
Yes.
Ngasuka lapho ngabe sengiya eUKZN eMaritzburg.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ngichaze kancane nganoma sozobona age yami.
Yeah.
Ungena kwama Portshepstone Senior uma wayesebenza esibedlela eShepstone. So wayene access yokukhuluma nodokotela abaningi. So last kuleso sikhathi sengena i-transition ukuthi apartheid siyaphela sesivumelekile access izikole lezi.
Oh.
So sabe sengithola kanjalo ke ithuba ke lokuthi nami ngiyongena esikoleni le ababiza ukuthi multiracial.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Kodwa singena ngesikhathi uku-introduce abantu abamnyama kusayinto ethanda ukuthi ibe inceke ngani. So kwakukhona ibit of resistance oyithola esikoleni. Uyibona manje uthi ayingathi khona inkinga ekhona.
Yeah, kodwa manje phela kuthiwa ingane kanesi.
Yeah, phela eceleni babesho njalo but la esikoleni ezinye ingane zingelo. So sabese ngangena ke seshaya high school, then from high school sathi Maritzburg. Base ngiyofunda ngifika ngikhetha ngifuna ukwenza civil engineering kahle.
Okay. Why?
Ngangithanda istudy sokudweba.
Oh, all right.
Ngithanda ukubona iproject ukusuka ngekho lutho phansi siyakha into siyofika phezulu.
Yes.
Nento yokuthi ngangiyibona ukuthi inayo element yokusiza abantu ukuthi uma wengayi-understanding ngoba umuntu angifuna ukwenza engangenzekene yok experience wayefaka ama water pipes.
Okay.
So ubona ukuthi through intervention yale nkampani lo mphakathi usuzokwazi ukuthi uthole amanzi. Nanokuthi athinta izinto eziningi, thinta infrastructure, road, water, mobility esuke sinawo and all other things esuke zikhona.
Yes.
Kodwa ke uma wathi nje cha mina ngifuna uhambe yoba ummeli ngoba wathi biziwe enkantolo ezoba ufakazi wathi khona izingane kade ngiyibone ezincane lapha sidaza namajazi amnyama. That's what you're going to do.
Oh.
Ngiliduba iformula ka CEO yena athi uzolibhala yena.
Olugcwalisa yena.
Wagcwalisa yena ke
on your behalf.
Nazi ya, obhala LLB Futhi wabe sethi ngoba angifuna eThekwini ngifuna eMaritzburg kodwa sihlukana nabangani bakhe ngihamba ngofunda khona kanti angazi nje manje ukuthi kahle kahle at the end of the day to me it's going to be my calling ngisho ngithi umthetho ngokukhethanga wakhetha mina kanti angazi futhi ukuthi uyangisiza because ngathi mase ngifika lapha the majority of ama lecturers ethu kwabantu ababhala ama textbook so umuntu wesifundisa nge-textbook mhlambe ye administrative law umuntu yi-author yayo okutshenayo ukuthi kukanje umuntu wesifundisa nge-contract uHoctor uyi-author yayo so ukwazi nokumbona nikwazi ukuthi nikhwizane kahle lapho ngoba sekuqala lapho ukuthi umuntu abone ukuthi hayi engathi nayo indlela ekuyiyona asiqhubeke sisebenze kwabe sekuqala ukusebenza kwami kezummeli.
Now ngiyakhumbula kwinkulumo esake saba nayo nje sikhulumela nje ngesikhathi sethu ukuthi even within ifamily you were then forced ukuthi kube khona izimpo oyilwayo through ummeli meaning uassista ifamily yakhe especially kwamanye amabhizinisi so somehow mhlawumbe uma wakho uyibonile vele lento ukuthi sizokhokhela ummeli noma sowufuna ummeli ngaphandle futhi nakhona noma imetha eyenza ngeke azayenze njengokuthi lento yenziwa umuntu othintekayo kuyona so uya understand ukubaleka kwayo.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kukhona ngoba enimzali would want ukuthi ingane yakhe ayishiye in the future.
Yes.
Now from iside lika baba angeke ngisho ukuthi he wasn't there because washesha wadlula emhlabeni so akayithola opportunity engako ukuthi support.
Yes.
But other than okunye there was none support yayikho. So umbono ukuthi nayo mayi ku role yakhe umagcina kubo be9 you know was 10 ikhona lento ukuthi uyuba activist asibeke kanjani.
Okay.
So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe kwi-wisdom yakhe wathi sifuna kube khona umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi asikhulumele ozokwazi ukuthi asicebise ngezinto ezithanda ukuthi azibe khona bese ngena kanjalo ke lo hence why even when practice engokuyona it's more on a humanitarian basis rather than ukuthi we are strictly there to make money. If kuukuthi the idea was ukuthi no we should be rich ngabe both man but most of the time ngithi ngifuna lo muntu ukuthi akalithola usizo akwazi ukuthi abe right bese ekwazi ukuthi ube khona istep azoba khona empilweni. Mina mawungangikhokhela ngemali kungcono but ngifuna ungikhokhele ukuthi uwenze nawe okunye komunye ukwazi ukuthi impilo yakhe kwenye ibe kwenye level from la kade ikhona eqaleni.
Yeah, you know ukuthi I've noticed ukuthi ama radio stations eNingizimu Afrika balisebenzisa kakhulu ulwazi lakho kusho baya invite you understand of which is why nomsakazo Izwi Lomzansi by the way umsakazo Izwi Lomzansi umqashile uZikalala right and I can safely say ukuthi Izwi Lomzansi iyona radio station yokuqala uZikalala azwakala kuyona eNingizimu Afrika. So ubona nalabo abanye invitewa nama TV stations kahle uyi product yeZwi Lomzansi.
It's ukutshela ukuthi siyenzeka kanjani le. Kukhona umunye umzala wami uphilani sadlule emhlabeni.
Okay.
Futhi nje waba nenkinga lokungena la kwidakamizwa sana kufika nje singayi understand kahle.
Yes.
Bese sengi-understand manje ukuthi kwakuwumaswidi.
Oh yes.
Bese ihamba eya kuyihlela babenalo ukuthi bazomnikeza rehab bani. Ngoba mina ngangehla njalo kuye ekhaya uma wakhe bese yangiphathisa athi ngicela unginikezele uphilani. Uzofike nomthole lapha e-radio station uZwi Lomzansi. Buya Sunday engisifune lesi station. Yahle ngenyuka ngangala double station ngitshela ukuthi hayi kuzothola la ezansi. Ayigcine ngiyitholile. Mangena hawu kukhona into enje la kanje okay engathi ngiyithanda lento eyenzeka. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ulwazi ngingakwazi ukuthi lisebenzeke kahle. That time ngisebenza eThekwini kumasipala as legal advisor. Umsebenzi wami awukho la ungisakhona emphakathini ngokudepend umasipala kuphela. Bese ngithi singayenza kanjani indaba ukuthi sizosherisha sinikeza abantu ulwazi lezomthetho eceleni siyibone ukuthi thina ngangingakaze ngizwe uhlelo olufana nalo but ngathi hayi ake sibone ukuthi sithini. bese ke siliqale ngithi kwakusithombe owekhona
yes ngeso sikhathi
bese siyangena into engangiyithanda ukuthi nganganikezwa i-freedom mhlawumbe into esangayithanda namanje ukuzulu Mzansi akekho ngidictatelayo ukuthi i-topic enja uyithinta akekho oshoyo ukuthi akwazi ukukhuluma ngalokho akekho oshoyo ukuthi lokho akuthini ngifike ngikhuluma lokho engithanda ukuthi ngikhulume nengibothiswe kubalekile sabe siqala kanjalo ke nalelo hlelo aligcinanga lapho thema siqhubeka isolezwe la ngomgqibelo ngibhalele edit yakhona ngithi usilindile Makhanya Thesli ngicela ukubhala la nayi sample yento engifuna ukukhombisa ayifike nginikeze sample athi no problem elect ngathi ngaqala kanjalo ukuthi izinto bese ziyachuba and ngiqinisile mathi izwi lomzansi lona laba umnyango ngoba even bonke abanye ezinye iteshi sengiyangena kuzona abaningi bakhona bathi naku la
sikuzwe lapha kwizwi lomzansi
wangisiza ke nokunginikeza iskill sokwazi ukunderstand ukuthi i-radio isebenza kanjani information mangiyipackage afile ithini asinama minute amaningi asibone ukuthi siya kanjani straight to the point isikhuluma lesokudinga
yes okay and then after lapho ke usebizwa ke na ama TV stations ambiza left right and center I remember nje ngise Goli ngilalele enye i-talk radio station ngitime ngithi hawu nangu uzikala ngathi mina no it's fine okay now uke wenza nama cases athinta politicians ngizwa mention amanye because vela sephelile but ngemvume yakho uke wenza amanye athinta ama political parties ngeke ngize ngiwamention lawo especially athinta ama political parties but then ngifuna siqale la someone ongekho clued up ngomthetho makhulunywa ngeattorney makhulunywa ngelawyer makhulunywa ngejudge okay kule judge nelawyer okay mhlawumbe umuntu uyaboniswa kancane but then kule attorney nelawyer angihlukanisele kulezo gaba lezo
ukuhlukana kwazo
yes
okay asiqale kanje sifike sibe nelawyer ilawyer anyone ofunda umthetho so ufundile wangawupractice wawupractice you're a lawyer ngoba qualification yakho
okay
bese kuyahluka ngokuyigaba nezinto okwazi ukuqualifyela zona
yes
kukhona umuntu ubizwa ngeattorney usebizwa ngelegal practitioner manje
lo
asimngathekise nodokotela oyi-general practitioner odila nomuntu ophukile ophethe umkhuhlane zonke lezo zinto lezo there's an attorney noma there's a legal practitioner la ngena khona mina ke lapho bese ku-attorney kube khona umuntu esombiza nge-conveyancer lo wenzeni ufike wafunda umthetho ogeneral wabese wafunda umthetho waqualifya ukuze akwazi ukuthi atransfer izindlu aregister lesibiza
ngama-bonds
bese kuba khona umele kuthiwa i-notary i-notary lezo ukuthi makuhlanganiswa ama-contract athanda ukuthi abe phezulu abe isikhathi eside nenani lakhona libe phezulu abese yangena ngibala athini la i-notary ayikuthiwa abantu bafuna ukushada out of community property with their crow file kwi-notary ake sithi ufuna ukuthenga noma ukulisa le ndawo esikuyona for 49 years file kwi-notary so isuke ithi the way agreement yethu ibaluleke ngayo sifuna ukuyenza sure ukuthi i-bond yakhona is much more stronger and ithinta abantu abaningi than what we generally accept we-notary la lapho sadila ne-attorney kuphela kuyenzeka ke attorney ngokufunda kwayo noma ngithi ngoku-experience yayo igcinise lento esibiza nge-right of appearance high court ngoba inikezwa noma okuchaza ukuthi wena attorney awusagcini ngokungena enkantolo zakamanje kuphela kodwa nase-high court Supreme Court of Appeals Constitutional Court usuyangena
okay
lo suke senikeza right of appearance high court le enginayo so mawuthi sambe siye Supreme Court of Appeals ndofike ngene mawuthi sambe siye Constitutional Court ufike singene umehluko la oba khona nje manje indlela ekuqokwa ngayo
okay
you find ukuthi an attorney uzofaka nje utie and then ube seqedile e-match court kuma wonke ama-magistrate court kodwa once waya high court
nejazi phela ijazi ngalishiya
hayi ijazi lisuke lihluka kakhulu e-high court
okay
so ijazi le-attorney noma legal practitioner right of appearance ijazi elijwayelekile elingenayo i-pocket ngemuva but i-bib iyafana kodwa ijazi lika-advocate which is probably the next step esingasingathekise njengomuntu oseyi-specialist-ke manje ozothi mina ngidila nale process kuphela noma ngidila nalo mthetho kuphela ukuze uze kumina fanele uqale lapho kwi-legal practitioner noma kwi-attorney before uzongena ngala kahle kahle abanye baze bathi usuke efuna ukurefine umsebenzi wakho ukuthi angadili nama-members of the public akadile nento ezothi asesethi uzikalala sengokucheckilile le process sizodila nale expect yalo mthetho ngicela usinikeze le solution wena as i-specialist lapho similar to udokotela ngithi udokotela bese kuzoba khona uzobe specialist oyi-neurosurgeon lo neurosurgeon wazi kakhulu ngekhanda ukuthi lithini
kube khona yo-dermatologist isikhumba
enye into angithi thina as ama-general practitioner I deal with mhlambe with 80 or 100 files e-office lo udile nama-files mhlambe noma ama-client azothi 20
okay
uspecialize ngawo yiki iprice yakhe izoba phezulu ngoba akafani nami ngikwazi ukusource from different files yena usource from only these few and so simthembele ukuthi siyakuyena ngoba you've done this a number of times, we've been to court, usuyenzile research yakho mangiza kuwena uzobe usungichazela ukuthi into yakhe ithini. So ibisihluka kanjalo. In both these sides, legal practitioner, attorney and advocate, kube sifike sibe ne junior sibe ne senior. So lo sekuhamba ngokweminyaka nange number of noma ukushuba kwamacala usuke waphatha. So advocate uzoba ne junior advocate, ube ne senior advocate laba babiza ngo senior counsel. Senior counsel ngo advocate usuke unikezwe upresident athi usho ama peers akho ni association obelonga kuyona ukuthi wena usuyithulile experience oyifuna ake sikugcobe manje sikwenza umuntu we-senior advocate. Na kanjalo ngala kuma legal practitioner uyakwazi ukuthola legal practitioner attorney kodwa ezoba ne senior status. Isanda kwenzeka ke leyo kodwa nje manje ayona into ekade ikhona. In as much ukuthi ama regulations akhona akakaqedwa ngohlelo. But anyone also in 10 years which is a decade and above can simply go there and say I nami sengicela ukuthi ngena ke ningigcobe ngibone ukuthi kwenzakala. So iyona ama officer asuke khona ke lawo ke kubantu abaningi abazosebenza ku private practice. Kunabanye abazokwenza umthetho besebenzela izikhungo zikahulumeni noma mhlawumbe izinkampani. Labo babizwa ngo legal advisor, banikezwe ngo in-house counsel, balibizwa ngama legal consultants. Lapho kubasuke bengaphakathi kuleyo nkampani befuna ukwenza sure ukuthi izinto zabo zeka legal zihamba ngohlelo yonke into yakhona okuhlukile. But inqubo kusuke ukuthi nje ufundile nomthetho yebo mawufundile ama qualifications akhathini and the distinction izongena ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi angene enkantolo. For example uzothola legal advisor ongekaza kwazi ukuthi ayongena enkantolo ngoba qualifications akhe akaphelele noma kuzothiwa wena uzozala enkantolo ngokusebenzisa ioffice lommeli kuphela hayi ngoba uyizela wena ukuthi mina sengiyila ngizomela inkampani yami.
So leyo kuba uadvocate so I believe ukuthi kushuthi into ebalekile izathu esenza ukuthi ngisho kanjalo at some point kwakunenkinga between uadvocate uMpofu with upresident uRamaphosa la ethi khona uMpofu okay la ethi khona upresident uRamaphosa wena Mpofu wacela ukuthi ufuna manje usufuna ukuba uadvocate. So I can't remember whether wayethi ngikukhulumele nobani noma ngiapproveni but I remember kwakune issue lapho where uMpofu ethi angaze ngisho mina leyo nto leyo
oyifuna wathi ufuna istatus sakho sikhuphuke ube usenior counsel.
Yes.
Wathi ukukhulumela nopresident. Reason why kunjalo nje manje upresident of the country kuphela ukwazi ukunikeza status sika silk. Noma sika senior counsel ukwenza lokho kodwa ethole recommendation from ama peers akho ukuthi yes sesingamnikeza unjomana seku right manje akaqhubeka sithole leso status. So akuyona iprocess elula, iprocess ethanda ukuthi ibe ayikho nzima futhi at the same time but you need evidence yokukhombisa ukuthi usumkantshubovu kangakanani kule ndima sikuyona. Isuke isizalana nje manje i-status sakho siyakhuphuka ucanda nama-fees akho azokhuphuka.
Oh.
So usungakwazi ukuthola ukuthanda ukuthi and then ukwazi ukuthola o-junior uma kuthiwa ukhona kube nabantu ozokwazi ukubabiza abantu abazokwazi bakusupport. So ikakhulukazi kuhulumeni uyakupromotha lokho ukuthi hayi mangithatha u-senior counselling ngifuna no-junior mhlawumbe ababili khona kuzokwazi ukuthi le thought process ne-skills development isenzeke kahle. So into ebalulekile where i-misconception iba khona, and I hope ama-colleagues angangizwa wrong, is the thing that says once a person becomes an advocate is superior than the attorney. Not necessarily so. You would find people who have been in practice of former attorneys with a lot of skills, a lot of discipline, and abakwazi articulate kahle makuthiwa befika enkantolo without being advocates. Yes, the training is different. Yes, mhlambe khona kube kushoda khona here and there, but that misconception is something I hope kuyofika ekuhamba isikhathi sikwazi ukuthi siqede ngayo. Igcine ingasabanga khona kuzokwazi ukuthi i-profession yonke kube respectable, sikwazi ukuthi sihloniphane ngendlela okuyiyona. So isuke ukunikeza kwemendlela ngisho kanjalo kuzohamba kuze kufike lapho. Kodwa mina ngithi ukuze sibone ukuthi imendlela zethu ziqina ngana asambe senkantolo sibone ukuthi banaphezulu.
And then kusuke sekwenzakalani makukhona uma uthi Njomani namhlanje usuku lami lokuthi ngiyo-actor as a-judge kulama cases lawa akhona. So ubani othola leyo opportunity? Is it just anyone amongst kunina or u-judge president kuleyo region leyo uyena osho ukuthi okay this week mhlambe for the next mhlambe for the next 3 weeks or a month uzikalala uyena ozo-actor kule nkantolo isebenza kanjani?
Ikanjena ke le Njomani siphinde siede kuma-dynamics ayo when it comes to skills development.
Okay.
Noku-increase ipool kwabantu abazoba ama-judges ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Yes.
Asikho isikole sama-judge. Yes, ikhona isa-J, but isa-J ithatha kakhulu mase kuthiwa usu-appointiwe.
Okay.
So the only way in which you gain experience as being a judge is by you being invited by the judge president of that division. So if you are not invited by the judge president of the division, it means you'll never get an opportunity to be a judge. Into ehlezi silwa-ke thina nesithemba ukuthi mhlawumbe yohamba bese iba right. Akube transparent Njomani ukuthi these are the requirements umuntu awadingayo ukuze angene abe i-judge ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Yes.
And then mase sitholile umuntu onesifiso sokuthi afike lapha ekubeni i-judge akwazi ukusebenzela towards that. Enye bakhona ezobuza ukuthi ufika kangakanani la e-high court.
Okay.
Umbuzo bese uthi if ngenawo ama-client anemali ukuthi angifikise high court, how am I going to get experience gcine sengifike khona? Ziningi indlela umuntu akwazi ukukhuphuka ngazo. Yebo ngaqala e-magistrate court ufika u-acte khona masu acte khona then bazokubona ukuthi ayinasi iskill sakho sila uzogcina usuyi-judge usu-actile as a judge for a number of times. Mhlawumbe uma kunotice kuma-interviews ase-JC, the number one questions ebuzwayo, how many acting stints okuyi-period osu-acte ngayo noma usuwatholile, because sifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-criminal usuke wayithola, i-civil usuke wayithola isikhathi esingakanani, wabhala ama-judgment angakanani, bunjani ubuhlonze bama-judgment owabhalile khona sobona ukuthi you are the right candidate for le nto ekuthiwa sayifuna. So la siyidinga khona Njomani when it comes to transformation, it's one clear ways of making sure noma uku-identify ukuthi is-actor kanjani. Number 2, umsebenzi oyi-quality, because I can't go to a high court ngingenayo i-matric file ngiyilethe ukuthi umsebenzi owuhlonze usowuthola kakhulu kuhulumeni, because uhulumeni is the biggest buyer of legal services in South Africa. Go to any high court and ufike ucheck lapho kwi-role yakhona ukuthi uhulumeni uzovela kanjani. Okuchaza ukuthi imali yakho yentela yami nawe goes towards making sure ukuthi inkantolo kuyaqhubeka kunabantu abaseke bewamele.
Okay.
Now into ehleze sikhala ngayo-ke inhlangano efana no-Black Law Association no-NADEL noma sekukhona ne-APLA manje ekwakuhlezi kushiwo ngayo ukuthi why singenzi a conscious decision of making sure ukuthi we increase i-pool yabantu esizothola kuona lama potential judges. How do you do that? It's very easy. Make sure ukuthi in every government institution there is at least i-panel yabantu uzokwazi ukuthi ukhethe kubona makuthiwa khona abameli abafunayo. Waplace lama quotas lawa that would say sifuna umsebenzi ongaka uye kubameli abamnyama khona uzokwazi ukubanikeza lo msebenzi ngendlela okuyiyona. And then bese beyahamba beyenkantolo mase beyenkantolo bazoyigain i-experience ngendlela abayigena ngayo. Abantu abake baba against lokho abake bathi hayi i-experience iphi bese ngiyabuza ukuthi i-experience laba enibabiza ngama-experts manje bayithathaphi because they were given opportunities. Baphinde babuze ukuthi imali yakhona iphi bese ngiyabuza ukuthi how much money do you spend on a regular basis for matters to be postponed just because the state attorney has too much cases on their hands abakwazi ukuthi bawenze. Wona mbuzo ke lokho sesibe na. And then yogcina bese uthi mase kuthiwa umuntu useya actor nathi ke abantu sesinikeze i-opportunity ukuthi asibe ilawo ama-professionals a-actor lapha. Let's make sure ukuthi siya excel khona ngeke uzutholakala ugcobho ey'ntweni esizenzayo ukuthi hayi nako ku-wrong la kulo ngathi akashayi khona kahle yonke into bese yaba nohle. Kodwa the survival of this profession ukuthi igcine iyi-noble profession njengoba kushiwo, it is heavily linked esekutheni how many clients do you get, who briefs you either nokumenza ama-instructions as an attorney noma as an advocate, nokuthi uzohlala kuze kufike isikhathi esingakanani kwi-profession ngoba at the end of the day awukwazi ukuyisebenza udinga ama-client. And ama-client elikhulu kulona elikhokhayo uhulumeni akeze phela uhulumeni athi play a role. Otherwise you are going to find a situation where when you are looking for judges the judges are not there. Ama-practitioners awekho, or you get such a low number of individuals to such an extent ukuthi izinto zakhe ayihlangani kahle. Ngenze enye example nje manje. Ngagcina ama-stats ngigcina ukwabona in KZN alone the highest number of qualified attorneys noma abantu abama-legal practitioners, advocates and attorneys kwabelungu
kuphela.
Highest number.
Highest.
Yes,
Okay. Highest number,
nayo i-ratio yakhona abelungu. Second kuba abomdabu baseNdiya bese sovala ngabantu abamnyama.
Well, but then kwisifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal abantu abayi-majority abantu abamnyama.
Nazi isiyaza lapha. Go to edolobheni. Ungikhombise at least ama-firms in kwi-city center awu-20 that belongs to abelungu.
Because phela well mina enginokuwabona awabantu abamnyama yozikalalazi yoxuluzi yozumas
nazi. And then take a step back and then go to the affluent areas yomhlanga Hillcrest and outside of it idolobha awabani wabona
kukhona belungu namandiya.
Into esasiyibuza ukuthi this highest number of people who are registered as legal practitioners bapracticela kuphi? Umsebenzi wabo bawuthatha because they are there, they are registered. And then bese ubuza ungcono ngoba kulehlala ngihleli kusona yokuhlala ama-politicians. The next time you have a person who has been given power ukuthi akwazi ukuthi akhiphe umsebenzi noma head department, umbuzo ukuthi kwi-department yakhe in the past 5 or 6 occasions besenkantolo kade bemele ubani? Are they fair yini in the manner in which they give out instructions? Are they doing into okufanele ngabe iyenziwa yini ukuze that upliftment ikwazi ukuthi ayenzeke? You'd be shocked to see ukuthi is-skewed kangakanani lo process ebakhona. Ungayi kude nje manje. Njengoba kade ungena icala leli lephalaphala the other day. Check ama-demographics ukuthi beme kanjani. Wes uthola ama-judge ase-Gauteng High Court bethi ngithi ngiyangena bengingafani nama-demographics of the country. That is not how things are supposed to be done. There are many other brothers and sisters bethu abafike bathi sifunde saqeda ukufunda sa-qualify but we can't find work. Kungiphatha kabuhlungu mina makuthola umfundi ozoza kumina ethi ave ngifisa ukuba ummeli. Ngim-encourage ngoba ngifuna ukum-discourage. That was not done to me. Kodwa in the back of my mind ngithi yazi mangase ube udokotela would be better. That's the one part ekufanele ube yona ngoba where they are leading the industry to they are leading to industry yase-US esurvivor ngama-medical negligence, esurvivor nge-police brutality, esurvivor ngokuthi kuthiwa nje uma engathi ngiyaphuma nje la ngashibilika sengiyashuwisa i-podcast ngashibilika ngizwe i-podcast ngifanele ngikhokhele imali engaka, because that is how they're able to make their money. But kuthina, when we have been given a proper opportunity of making sure ukuthi siyazakha kuba a problem, there are industries ogcina ukufunda ngawo esikoleni, maritime, kodwa sinalo ulwandle
la eduze kwethu ya.
Show me, I would, 5 black individuals, legal practitioners, a practice in maritime umkhumbula.
I am told ukuthi naleya kwa conveyancing abantu abampisholo banokuvaleleka ngaphandle.
Yabona ke lapho nje bavaleleka kabili, yes iqiniso lelo, kodwa even ukuqualifya nokubhalwa kwayo le exam nokuphaswa kwayo asanda kuphuma nje aba results akhona.
Yeah,
ngase ngayibuza mina mhlambe ave bebhala ukuthi the final mark beku 50.
wayibhala nawe?
Hayi ngakayibhala sajima.
Yeah,
i-final mark beku 50 cha ku 200 andiphola bo 1538 man ngothi wona ama results la.
Sure.
It's very little. And then you ask yourself this, man, where we do not understand the power of
yeah,
how many people on a daily basis buy houses.
yeah,
Angifuni sekuthi KZN kuphela. And if you buy a house namhlanje and you sign that deal, it needs a conveyancer ukuze ibe khona.
true,
Banks are there.
true.
Bese siyabuza transformation yethu madoda ihamba kanjani, ngabe ngiyabalansisa yini? They are not there. Abantu abadayisa property nakhona lezo inkampani zothola zikhona, buze nenza kangakanani ukuthi igcine iprocess yeni ihambe kahle. Very little. So the survival of the industry izogcina ingasekho ngale ndlela efala ngabe iyona if there is no conscious decision of people saying we want to make sure ukuthi siyabanikeza abantu lento kuyiyona. And nansi enye khona khona i-politician eseke sasusana naye sibanga yona lento so minister maye ngisho ukuthi ithi ngithe ngiyafika lapha yana nganikeza ibrief abantu abamnyama bafike bayona ngaphakamisa nami ngoba sasuka ipolitiki ngathi mina kungabe ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ukuba khamba ngale ndlela osho ngayo kungabe inhlangano yakho isayini power yini sathustana lapho kwaze kwangenelela cishe yasho amagaba abantu
yeah, kodwa whoever wangenelela
ukuzamisa umsindo ngendlela eyikhona, because that's the type of mentality unfortunately sometimes siyithola sekuyona about indlela okwenzeka ngayo.
yeah,
And it's very easy nje man to be sucked into the upper 1% of abantu abaprovide legal service ugcine ungasekho accessible to abantu bakini.
yeah,
I can move tomorrow ngiyongena ngithi nami ngifuna ukuhlala emhlanje,
yeah,
ngithola ama-briefs okuyiwona but ngiyazi ukuthi the minute I do that, even isikhathi sokuyezwini lomzansi ngangingasasibona njengento ebalulekile,
Yeah.
ngithi hayi ngisawenzani
yeah,
because you are well off. So there are a lot of things that we do not understand ukuthi i-economy yethu zabantu abanyama ibale yangakanani ukuthi siyigcine kuthina, i-revolve around thina, siyi-develop around, not mhlawumbe for us but for generations which are to follow ukuze akwazi ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukusurvive.
Okay, now I'm not sure whether uzongivumela ukumenshina lama politicians awu2 osuke wenza ama cases wawo engiwakhumbulayo.
I asingawamention but amosha ama-facts ngizokhumbula ukuba
Okay. Number 1, bekune case eyayithinta 2 politicians from different political parties in KZN. Enye politician yayikhulume into engekho ngokwamaphepha, right? Yayikhuluma into engekho ngenye, then le enye decided ukumsuwisha, right? And funny enough, because mina nawe alipheli isonto singabonananga, but then ukuthola ukuthi wena involved kule case ngaze ngathola sengibona inkundleni zokuxhumana ngoba sengibona amaphepha afakiwe addresswa to izikalala attorneys. And I'm like, how? Okay. Then ngase ngiyakufonela. Uyabona? Now, take me through kule case kanjalo where someone ekhulume into engekho ngami then sengifuna ukumsuwisha. Uyabona? Why lento ngiraise? It's simply because njengamanje sekulula for umuntu ukuthi avela akhulume into engekho ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ukujabulisa whoever abantu asuke nabo or abalandeli bakhe nomani. But only to find out ngempela nawe uyazi lento ayikhuluma ayikho.
Now la isuke iqhamuka khona iqhamuka entweni ethi uNjomane nesiqu sakhe kufanele simhloniphe. You have a right to dignity. This is a right given to you by constitution. And ukuhlonipha kwako noma extent yakhona ukuthi you mustn't be defamed yona gama lekusetshenziswa. So angathathi igama lakho licelele phansi. It then extends to a criminal offense. So defamation mostly on a civil basis. Civil meaning uNjomane ulwa nozikalala bafuna compensation noma besebenza specific performance ukuxolisa ukuthi akwenziwe. Kodwa makuthiwa sese criminal injury sesithi sekuyicala manje selifulile. Ngoba usudicile igama lamphansi. So kwakusuke kwenzela ukuvikela izinto ezinjalo. There's only one defense to all of them, Njomane, iqiniso. So if kuyiqiniso, then that's the only defense that you have and there's no suing esuke izoba khona. Otherwise it should mean ukuthi even abeindaba will not be able ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakhuluma indaba zabo esuke zikhona. Yiwo nasendabeni kufanele ukuthi umaqala bengekho sho kuthiwa allegedly bese benikeza a bit of protection bona because kuthiwa if mangase uplace a hard censorship yona yonke le process uzoba nenkingi izinto zakho zingasenzakalanga kahle. Sesidevelopike ke Njomane ngendlela esasiyona ekuqaleni. Abantu eqaleni defamation bebengayinakanga. But due to access to our resources, and better understanding ukuthi umthetho usebenza kanjani sebeyakusebenzisa lo even the protection of our brands asuke khona. Enye into isidala ukuthi ukukhuphuka lokuthi there are many other mediums in which interaction amongst members of the public takes place. Wena njengamanje njengoba sikhuluma la kwi-podcast, probably we are going to be viewed by millions of people.
True.
And those millions of people, if they show something bad about umuntu thizeni, azobe sebeyathola ithuba lokuthi balalele ukuthi kuthini. So i-medium of defame sikhuphukile nangendlela okukhulunywa ngayo nakhona sekuxhaphakile so sekwazi i-accessible khona. The bad part about it isekutheni sekulula kakhulu ukuthi abantu badefame abantu. Ngeke ngibuke nje ngesinye isikhathi okunye even nama comments asokuzo directed to what I had said earlier. Uthola ukuthi yazi lo muntu ungamsuwisha ngendlela yakhuluma ngayo because there's no respect umdefame. But bese uyabona ukuthi it takes time and money ukuthi ngenza le nto ngivele ngisho ngeke ngisize ngalutho.
Ngiyakhumbula nje ucikekile ungithumelele enye video.
Kwenzakala lapha kwalo ngoba kwahamba ngala ndlela. Okwakuyona. So mina ngibuka ukuthi yabona lokho social ngizithi lo akafundisekanga. Aka understand ukuthi empilweni kuhamba kanjani. We must learn to be tolerant and respect our views abantu ukuthi. But in certain instances where it involves abanye abantu, yes, we'll go to court and say into inkantolo mvimbi ukuthi akhulume kanje angayisho lento ayishilo ngoba uyangidefame.
Okay. Now kunama amendments enziwa especially athinta izinto esizikhulumayo through social media. So right now sengingakwazi ukuthi uzikalala ngimbophe ukuthi ukhulume ngami kwi social media. Ithini le awichazi because I know ukuthi ibaleke kabi.
La kwathi mase develop ukhumbula ukuthi umthetho ama sources awu-two either lento sibiza ukuthi common law umthetho oyimilele and then kube lo so developer depending ukuthi into ithini. So kwabonakala ukuthi la ku defamation kwi common law asimprosecute kahle umuntu ngemikhwala kushoda khona.
Sure.
Ake sakhe manje umthetho ozokwazi ukuthi ugcina usi incorporate noma wenze kube lula ukuthi prosecute abantu. Hence kwakumthetho ukuthi anything that you say using the social media will be regarded as into wena uyiphimisele yona and izohambisana nama offenses ukuthi lama offenses athini. Kuze khanye nje manje kuze khulunga nalabo abantu abascamwayo ukuthiwa in the process la uscamwa khona through social media it makes it easier for us ukuthi sikubambe liable for it and open up ama-criminal charges against wena ngoba wena uhambe wafika wascam abantu wa-impersonate umuntu ongeyena ngoba nawe ujahuja kube yiyona lakhe kuyinkinga khona-ke the introduction ye-AI igijime kakhulu kunomthetho ngiya-anticipate ukuthi by the time in South Africa because ehlele singemuva kwakhona umthetho by the time sidevelop umthetho njalo baningi abantu sebelimele kwamanje kune-AI ekwazi ukuthi iklone amazwi ethu so mina nawe njengoba sikhuluma singavuka ngakusasa sine-podcast yase-China but we've never been there so it's one of those things where uyazama uhulumeni wethu ukuthi ufice uvimba amanzi ukuthi angangena endlini but sometimes it's not enough.
Okay, now asikhuluma indaba ye-bail mfakazikalala. You know ngendlela ebaluleke ngayo le issue yokuthola i-bail cisha abantu abaningi into abaye bakhale ngayo athi umuntu uzikalala bengimbophisile afika amaphoyisa azomlanda kodwa a day after or 2 days after sengihlangana nawo uzikalala emgaqweni futhi amaphoyisa awawenzi ngendlela umsebenzi so amaphoyisa asuke engena kanjani lapho because kungenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi sesidirect engayethu to amaphoyisa but amaphoyisa awenzile umsebenzi wawo amaphoyisa asuke ngasahlangana nokuthi ubani utholile ibail ubani akayitholanga ibail iye isebenze kanjani kahle kahle
mhlawumbe ake siqale si-understand irole yamaphoyisa
yes
and ngizokusho lokuwona with all due respect umsebenzi wamaphoyisa akuwona ukwahlulela uphenya bese kuyaboshwa so once laphenya kwabopha sekuphelile umsebenzi wabo uthi kuyoze kuyongena enkantolo masethuse zothula ubufakazi umsebenzi ukwahlulela wenziwa umahluleli either imantshi noma ijaji those are the only two people abanikezwa irole yokwenza lokho so ukuphuma komuntu kwebail kusuye kuthiwa because udaba lakhe akafiki kumehluleli asikwazi ukuthi sikuthathe sikunikeze noma sikugqokise ingubo yomuntu onecala size sikupanishe only to find ukuthi at the end of the day icala unalo sikubeka kanjani endaweni ebuzoba kuyona ibini kuthiwa lokho okuhlukumezeka zange uzongena kuyona so asizama ukuthola a middle ground in all of this khona sizokwazi ukuthi makuthiwa mhlambe unikezwe icala engelona sikwazi ukuthi at least bungaphandle uyaqhubeka uyasebenza ukuthi ihamba ngohlelo if kuwukuthi hayi bekuyilona and then uqhubeke bese uyaboshwa kwakho then kuyobe ku-warranted umthetho osetshenziswayo lapha usection 35 we-constitution okhuluma nge-right to be released on bail if it is in the interest of justice to do so kwabe sekuthiwa ukuze sibone ukuthi lento siyipracticalize kangakanani asakho umthetho obizwa nge-Criminal Procedure Act usection 60 wakhona uzokutshela ukuthi eziphi izinto ezibhekwayo so kufike kuthiwe sifuna ukubona ukuthi uNjomane ama-ties anawo noma ubambeka kangakanani la eNingizimu Afrika unawo umndeni unazo izingane unale ibhizinisi elikhona la uyasebenza la makuthiwa uyasebenza i-address yakhe sesiyitholile sohlala isikhathi esingakanani uwumuntu olula yena ukuthi akahambe ekamanye amazwe yikuzozwa makuthiwa umuntu uboshiwe bese kuthiwa u-applyela ibail athi i-passport yami nginganinikeza ngoba usuke ethi angifuni ukuya ndawo bese sizo-check okay kuleli cala uNjomane ekuthiwa ulenze libucayi kangakanani mhlawumbe icala ukuthi ushaya umuntu ngempama noma icala ukuthi kuthiwa ubulele lokubulala lithanda libe phezulu okuchaza ukuthi isentence yakhona izoba phezulu nakhona ama-chance ukuthi umuntu afuna ukubaleka lelo cala mase kuthiwa liyamgweba maningi eziphi izinto esizozenza ukuze angahambi ake siphinde sibheke la ehlala khona uxhumana kangakanani nofakazi ngabe bawumakhelwane bahlala endlini eyodwa mangabe bawumakhelwane behlala endlini eyodwa hayi akahamba asinikeze alternative address lezo hlala le kude khona angahlali la ngoba sifuna ukuthi kube khona abantu azokwazi ukuthi athintane nabo enye yakhona bese ithi ke Njomane ejwayele ukuthi ibe controversial lecala umuntu asolwa ngalo ukuthi ulenzile li-prevalent noma seliyinsakavukela kangakanani if kuwukuthi izinto eyenzeka njalo it then means ukuthi even ngomphakathi uzonengeka ukuthi leli cala selenzeke kaningi sibona ngathi akwenzeki lutho then bese kuthiwa hayi ngeke asingakwazi simvumele nama-views omphakathi ayabhekwa ngoba kuye-check ukuthi ukuphuma kwakho kuzospark i-public violence engakanani yiwo uzobona amakhona abantu abasuke bebhekisha ngaphandle mangabe kuwummeli osuke semkantshubovu uyalitshela iclient lakhe athi ungayi-applyela ibail namhlanje ngoba ama-apply ibail namhlanje bayabhekisha abantu lapha ngaphandle ama-chances of success are very slim.
Yeah.
Kodwa makuwukuthi uwedwa uyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozoba khona then mhlawumbe usungakwazi ukuthi ukwenze lokho. Asiphinde-ke noma ngiyicacise le ibail akuyona yokupanisha umuntu because iseze punishment yakho through i-sentence. But eyokubeka imigomo nemibandela ukuthi kungabi khona la uzophuma khona noma ukuthi khona okwenzayo ngesikhathi kusalinda ukuthi icala lakho liqulwe bese kubheka lokhu kutholakala ufakazi ngokuphelele.
Okay.
Inkinga ngibuye ibe khona nje manje eyokuthi ngesinye isikhathi abantu ababagilwa abalitholi ithuba lenele lokuya enkantolo bafike bayosho ukuthi ngizizwa ngi-aggrieved kangakanani ukuthi lo muntu akaphumi. Either because usuke engatshenanga ukuthi uzo-apply ibail ngaleso sikhathi noma mhlawumbe i-prosecutor isuke ingashongo ukuthi ngiyakudinga ngifuna uzoba ufakazi nakhona uzongena. Enye ipibo ukuthi mhlawumbe sesikhathi i-prosecutor izobona ukuthi ama-chance ukuthi lo muntu athole ibail athanda uba maningana ngoba enye into ikibheke ukuthi i-criminal record lakho lithini. Ngiye ngisho wonke umuntu unale record okubalekile ukuthi kubhalwe yini kulo record. If kubonakala ukuthi i-house breaking isiyenzeke ka5 nama-convictions amathathu, then it means ukuthi ayingeke ngathi uthanda ukuyenza lento awukazi ukufunda. Ake sikugcinela ngaphakathi isitokisini khona sokwazi ukuthi asibe right.
So ngamanye amazwi uma sisuke sibhikisha ngaphandle because uzikalala uboshiwe then ikhona ingxenye esiyidlalayo sekuthena ungaphumi.
Ikhona kakhulu because i-prosecutor iyakwazi ukusho ukuthi manje most cross sama siyobheka lapha ngaphandle kuyabhekisha abathi lo muntu akangaphumi.
Yes.
Ila izophinda ingene khona ukuthi at least kuzothiwa ama-check kuthiwa akangahlali lapha kulowo mphakathi akahambe yohlala kwenye indawo.
Okay. And then umuntu okwazi uku-applyela ibail kodwa esevele seqalile ukugwetshwa noma esegwetshiwe eseqalile ukuseva isentence yakhe. Kusuke kwenzakaleni lapho we nangu stressless kunecala ethule lenzile lahlala icala waboshwa wanikeza u20 years useqalile 20 years yakhe 5 years down the line stressless applyela ibail icala selibuyele enkantolo but already usehlala 20 years 20 years wakhe. Kusuke kwenzakala because kune confusion lapho.
Okay. Ahlukaniseke. Mangabe usane opportunity ukuthi ugcine uphume ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Kusalindwe isikhathi nethuba ukuthi ukwazi ukufaka ama submissions akho nobuzo uthola ubufakazi bakho.
Okay.
Yila uthola khona opportunity ukuthi uphume ngebail. Ngeke ngizokwenza ama-examples amancane. Ake kuthiwa umuntu ugwetshiwe. But ukugwetshwa kwakhe kuthiwa sekuthola unecala. Indaba ye-sentence yesigwebo sakho sazobuye sikhulu.
Oh, okay.
Yabo. Lo muntu uyakwazi ukuthi athole ibail ngoba kuzothiwa
so lo muntu uhleli nje mahala.
Singasho kanjalo. So kuzobe sekuthiwa ngoba namhlanje umhla ka28 sokunyele enkantolo next year ngoFebruary. Hambe uyohlala ekhaya uzobuya umhla ka28 February sesokhuluma indaba ye-sentence.
Okay.
Kuzoba khona okwesibili ozogwetshwa kuthiwa unecala anikeze isigwebo sakhe. Mase sinikeziwe isigwebo sakhe bese ethi ngicela ukufaka i-appeal noma i-review. Bese kuthiwa ngesikhathi sisabheka ukuthi le appeal noma le review yakhe inawo nomqondo yayenza yini sense. Hambe uyohlala ekhaya uzo-applyela ibail ngesikhathi usenza lo. And umehluko between the two, i-review isuke ithi i-procedure khona engahambanga kahle, i-appeal isuke ithi i-procedure ihambe ngohlelo but i-conclusion was wrong.
Okay. Ngenza njani ke la? Kunecala engivulelwe lona. Amaphoyisa seyafika sezongibopha. Yiphi indlela ekumele mina ngiyiphathe ngayo because nalapho kune confusion ebakhona we omunye umuntu agcine ehlukumezeka then umuntu osuke ewazi umthetho abayeke bamhlukumeza indlela bamhlukumeza ngakhona and then bese uyovula icala after lapho. So take us through amaphoyisa ayafika azokubopha kwenzakalani konke lapho and amaphoyisa iziphi izinto ekumele azisho uma ukuthi awayishongo noma awazenzanga then ngakwazi ukuthi bangibophele into engeke noma bangibophe ngesinxele mangabe kanjani.
One word, comply.
Okay.
Ngithi kwabanye impi yakhe ayikho la emaphoyiseni.
Yeah.
Impi yakhe isenkantolo. That way it matters the most. because la ngingaboshwa kahle ngiboshwe kambi at the end of the day umuntu uzongwahlulela
senkantolo.
usenkantolo ke khona.
So amaphoyisa masefikile zongibopha then ngiyacomply sharp.
No problem. If ubona ukuthi engathi lo double thanda ukuthi ube nzima linda ummeli ukuze abe khona bese kuyima uzosho ukuthi hayi ngizonibhalela ke statement but kwamanje angifuna ukuthi ukhulume lutho. Bake ba confuse abantu abaningi nokunikeza ama details akho bese ujothi sekubhala ku statement. Ufanele banikeze ama details ngoba kufanele bakunikeze leya warning statement eshoyo ukuthi amalungelo akhathini.
Okay.
Kufanele une form efile isayini ezosho ukuthi akukho la ulimele khona uma ulimele yebo ngilimele endaweni okuthile uthola medical intervention. That's where you need to comply. Uyayisayina lelo form ukuthi ngempela okushoyo kuyikhona yini. Kodwa makhola anga understand ikhona isho ukuthi anga understand lokho ngicela ngichazele khona ngizoba cover.
Yeah.
Kodwa mayisefikile amaphoyisa eza kuwena comply kuyicala ungalaleli ukuthi instruction yephoyisa ithini.
Yeah.
If instruction yephoyisa ikufaka ehlathini all well and good engithi usazoclaim manje within i-service suit. If uboshwele ngendlela engekho right ikhona unlawful arrest yakwazi ukuyiclaimela.
Yes.
Unlawful detention yakwazi ukuyiclaimela. Wena nje mangabe wenze sure ukuthi you are not resisting arrest because it's also one of the things eyibhekwayo mase kuthi apply libi ngoba uzosho ngikho-operatile akukho la ngingalwa khona akukho la ngakhombisa ukuthi mhlawumbe khona ukudodisana khona yonke into bengiyenza ngohlelo asizange sizisile ngishukulwa in the manner akade bengibopha ngayo.
Yeah.
So ey'ntweni ey'fana njengalezo musukulwa don't fight. Enza nje leyo fana uyakwenza uhambe enkantolo masusenkantolo that is when you will get justice yakho ukhona uzokwazi ukuthi ube ngaphezulu.
Amaphoyisa avumelekile ukuvesana ngibophe ngozankosi ngicomply nento abayishoyo.
Strictly speaking no. The manner of arrest ngendlela ekubhalwe ngayo kuthiwa must tap you ukukhombisa ukuthi wena ngikhuluma ngayo.
Okay.
And place you under arrest ngomlomo.
Okay.
So ngithi hey Mxolisi you are under arrest. That's the manner of arrest. The only instance in which you have to apply a force, minimal force, it is when you resist. Or i-risk assessment engiyitholile kuthiwa lo muntu ekuthiwa sihamba siyomlanda abebaleka.
Okay.
Noma kuthiwa ngokwe-risk assessment yami ngize emsebenzini ngiqala umkhuhlane. Ngiyabona mase kuthiwa shaw 100 meters la ungangihlula noma kuthiwa ngifitha ngana. So ukuze ngenze umsebenzi wami ube lula angikufaka uzankosi khona uzobakhaba.
Okay.
Kahle that's the appropriate way of arresting people. In fact ngize ngithi mina the most appropriate way of arresting abantu ukuthi ngikufonele ngithi siyakudinga le police station khona udabelo nokuthi ungafika nini bese ngicela ngizofika ntambama. And then masukhona besithi okay like lo usukhona la siyakubopha because of 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah.
And then we then decide ukuthi into oboshwele yona does it fall within the ambit engakwazi ukuthi ibail uyinikezwe amaphoyisa. Ibail iphuma kathathu. You have a police bail, you have a prosecutor's bail, you have a bail ekhishwa enkantolo.
Okay.
But because sekwabakhona i-abuse ye-process somehow.
Yes.
Sekugcina siku i-prosecutor's bail nale yasenkantolo igcina isisebenza ngoba sekuthiwa hayi sifuna ukwenzela sure ukuthi izinto zethu zihamba ngohlelo.
Yes.
Ngenze example where i-bail will be strictly for enkantolo. In any instance where there is a domestic relationship between the parties, amaphoyisa prosecutor akwazi ukuyikhipha enkantolo kuphela. Reason being, there is an assessment that needs to be done by a presiding officer or umantshi uzabona ukuthi wena uhlalaphi niyabonana yini. Hayi mangakuthiwa niyabonana kufanele ngikhiphe protection order la ukuthi bangabonana. Sibalekela ukuthi umuntu aphume ngebail 5 days later kuthiwa usembulala.
Yeah.
Yebo so ile indlela isuke ihluke ngayo ukutholakala kwayo ibail le nanokuthi iba intricate kangakanani entwenzana kwi-assessment. Akuyona i-decision elulu kuyenza at the same time akuyona i-decision ekululu ukuthi cha lo sibanibana kangaphuma.
Okay. Iqembu lezepolitiki mfokazi Kalala EFF.
Yes.
Eholwa uCIC uJulius Malema. Bebekade bese Constitutional Court with amanye ama political parties including i-ATM. Bekhala ngendaba yephalaphala. And i-Constitutional Court isalicubungula kudaba. Right? Yini abakhala ngawo kahle? Ngifuna uyichaze ngendlela engizokwazi ukuyi-understanda ngakhona especially nangayi language yethu lethi ekhulumayo.
le nje manje kufuna siqale siyileke ngokuthi kunama categories ahlukile noma ama-institutions noma ama-sections abantu aba-engage kubona. Kulo daba lasephalaphala, kunedaba lasephalamende, kunodaba of a criminal activity. These two are interlinked, but imithetho regulates izinto ezenzeka ephalamende nekuregulate okwenzeka ngaphandle within the criminal activity kuhlukile. Into akade isho EFF bithi sino president la okwathi makufakwa isiphakamiso sokuthi akaphenywe ephalamende ephenyela ukuthi uphule imithetho ye-constitution of which thina njengephalamende sinikezwe irole ukuthi asiyigade. Kwangahamba ngohlelo ngoba kwasetshenziswa noma sikholele ukuthi kwasetshenziswa i-majority of i-political party then ukuze udaba lufaka ngaphansi kwetafula. Wena nkantolo usitshene lapha ku-section 34 kwesekutheni sine-right to administrative action ethi zonke iy'nqumo ey'thathwa ephalamende kumele zimithe ama-branches amathathu. They must be lawful, they must be reasonable, and they must be procedurally fair. Kwi-reasonableness sinalento esibiza ukuthi i-rationality ngokwesiZulu, unawo yini noma kuyawenza yini umqondo ukuthi uthathe lesi sinqumo osithathile uma kade unalama-facts noma nezinto ey'khona phambi kwakho.
Okay.
So bese bethi ama-facts aykhona phambi kwethu kwakwama-facts athi i-independent panel asiye ukuthi Hall of Former Chief Justice ithi asinabo ubufakazi obanele kodwa siyabona ukuthi khona into errong eyenzakalile. Esicelayo eParliament ukuthi hambe yokwakha enye ipanel ezoba namandla aphelele ukusuphina abantu ukuze ikwazi uku-investigate lolu daba.
Okay.
So EFF yenkantolo ithi sicela ukubuza enkantolo ukuthi ukuvuma kwe-majority of parliamentarians ukuthi bathi lolu daba lingasakhulumi despite recommendation ukuthi let's investigate further bekunawo yini umqondo.
Okay. Now kunephuzu eliraiswe amajaji. Where amajaji ethi but why are you guys coming now? Because imethe enikhuluma ngayo ye-administration ye-6 esiyiphumile vele.
Wona mbuzo obaluleke kakhulu lo nje because you can't take izinto noma ama-decisions akade enziwa another administration uzowaletha la bese uzothwalisa bona lelo joka bengenziwanga yibona. Because into ezosho abanye bazothi abanye abasephalamende ukuthi yazi mina ngangabe even a-member of parliament at the time so ngidecide kanjani into enithi ngidecide. Sihlehle kancane futhi. Inkantolo is very rare la izothatha khona i-role of being parliamentarians decide on their behalf. Inkantolo mayidecide ithi lokhu ku-wrong akuphinde kuyodecide again. Lokhu wrong akuphinde kuyodecide again. So if la ithi lokhu ku-wrong akudecide again sekudecide ubani? Akusebona the administration engakho. So it's incorrect uma uzothatha lo nto uyise kubona ku administration ukuthi abayidecide because they were not there in the first place. So yiyo kade beloke bebuza ukuthi yini into cause i-delay ukuze nizofika manje because the decision was taken. You had ample time in order to come. If besenibona ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba, you would have came to constitutional court on an urgent basis. Ngendlela inkantolo flexible ngayo nje manje makuthiwa appointiwe as a presiding office manje kulesi sikhathi bangangibiza ngo-6 kuthiwa ngo-6 there's a magic file esiyihlalele kamaphepha you have to sit and listen to it. So umbuzo ukuthi yini ndaba nilinde nesikhathi eside nifuna ukuthwalisa abantu ijoka kade bengekho ekuqaleni ukuze balidecide ukuthi lithini. Hence why i-argument egcine isizela ngakuyona nangendlela kade ngibona sekuyiyona ukuthi kuthiwa engathi into efanele siyi-attack ama-rules asephalamende. Because ama-rules enza kube nzima ukuthi upresident simbambe accountable kuleyo process akuyona. Because it means ukuthi you will never ever be able to hold the president accountable if ukubanjwa kwakhe accountable will depend on the majority party that is there ukuthi i-process yakhona isebenza kanjani. Which majority party would want the president wabo ukuthi impeach? None. So if you are going to create something which is unattainable kufanele ushintshe lawo ma-rules khona uzokwazi ukuthi akabekhava. Because no matter ngingasho mhlambe kuthiwa they voted independently ngoba bekusukumisa one by one, you've got other kuthiwa we were voted because ngokuhamba ama-party lines ukuthi athi it's only one or two abahlukile but iningi labo lihamba ngokuthi mina la naku la ngikhona ngiyindawo.
Now mangana namathuba, okay, angingabuzi mangana namathuba kodwa ngibuze ngendlela yokuthi cishe mhlawumbe isinqumo esingakhishwa i-Constitutional Court kulolu daba singathini, singawela ngakuphi?
La uthi ngithi isinqumo sohlukana kathathu noma kabili.
Yeah.
Mahlukana kathathu i-majority izothi the horse has bolted in terms of holding the current president noma the president oyekhona ku-system administration accountable.
Yeah.
It may have been usevotelwe again but the thing happened before. Lesalthinte lelo daba in terms of parliamentary accountability. But into esirecomendayo ukuthi nina hambani niyoshintsha lo mthetho wenu ngoba lama rules ena akahambi kahle. Ngiyasintshela ukuthi washintsha kanjani ngoba kona umsebenzi wethu not legislatures but siyasho ukuthi le rule ebhalwe kanje is not consistent with the constitution kufanele ukuthi ayiqale phansi.
Okay.
That will be scenario 1 ongaba khona. Scenario 2 which is very unlikely would bathi qala phansi kuyo investigator noma isinqumo sokuthi kunga investigator sasi irrational ayiqale phansi lo decision bese yenziwe because it would mean ukuthi angikwazi ukucompose sithi administration ngalendlela yenze ngayiqaleni.
Yes.
Kufanele iprocess yakhona bese iqala phansi then kuheadache etsana ukuthi beyinkudlwana lo. So I don't foresee that one coming because isikhathi besinaso ayisincane. If it had been Jumani which they had gone ngesikhathi kusakhona i-city administration mhlambe singabe sikhuluma olunye udaba in terms of holding a president which accountable.
All right. I-issue ye pay back the money isibuyile futhi ku-spotlight but this time around ibuya ngokuthi pay back the money yama fees for amacala owawaluza against us, right? So leyo nto ishiwo upresident we-EFF uJulius Malema and uyisho outside of inkantolo kumbuthano and then wasethi sebe instruct abameli babo ekutheni babafune leya mali and ba-attache umuzi wasenkandla. But again, I remember at some point where indaba ye VBS kwakuthiwa aku-attach umuzi wasenkandla and somehow kwavela ukuthi okay, well ma u-attach umuzi wasenkandla umuzi wasenkandla kusikona wa former president uZuma but wakubo.
Yes.
Uyabona, so ithini le because it's very important ukuhlukanisa between izinto engenzeka nezinto nama political statements. Yabo to entertain your followers.
Ngize ngithi mina uhlukanisa between politicking nento ezokwazi ukuthi ibe practical. Na mhlawumbe siqalela esekutheni umuntu uze kuthiwa ama-fees akakhokhelwe uhulumeni ngoba asuke ekutheni uhulumeni usuke ethi yazi ukuba ukho kuleyo position okuyona ngamba awubhekani naleli icala.
Okay.
So if a president is sued for something ekuma-duties akhe, then the state is going to pay because izothiwa i-interest yala noma kuthiwa siyawina ngeke kuze kube yaka-Ramaphosa ezobe e-South Africa.
Okay.
But if it's anything to do a personal now, wena file uyi-check-e wena ukuthi kwenzakalani. Where they got it semi-wrong was when if the president is facing charges that are corruption related, bese kuthiwa sifuna ukuthi sizokudefenda wena ngemali ye-state unless njomani kuzothiwa i-reasoning at the time kwakuthiwa you entered in these transactions because you were the president of the country or you played a particular role. If that's the case, ngaba udisadanga nokuyidecide ngaba uhlalanga nokuhlala kuleyo meeting edibheni kuthiwa uqashwa nguhulumeni yiko sobe sesiyangena-ke khona, which is why it's difficult namanje ukuthi la kaluze khona ukuthi akuhambe kuyoklema le mali ayikhokhele ngayo. Because ubekwenza on the virtue of being within that particular position. I-involvement yakhe was not on a personal basis, but it was on a basis where an actor within the capacity of umuntu osebenzela uhulumeni. So le kade beyisho ukuthi kuzothiwa ayisehamba siyo-collector ama-cost unless if that cost order is issued on a personal basis. Yes, they can, but the only thing they can attach manje kahle kahle I think sengaba umholo because yona into ayithole on a constant basis. But other than that, it would be impossible. ngoba kwazi noku-attach ukuthi ake ngiyo-attach i-portion yakho emzini wasenkandla iqalaphi igcinaphi uma usuyi-attachile uzoyenzani uzoyidayisa kanjani when there are many other people abakhona lapho ongakwazi ukuthi bazothi sine-interest kule manje.
Okay, so i-direction abayithathayo njengamanje
other than whenever there's a personal cost order, well, you can try and pursue that.
Yeah.
Ukuthi izinto zakho khona la uzofika khona but I don't think izoku-assist la.
Yeah.
Kuncane uzokwazi ukuthi ukuthola. Kuncane. In this case yona yonke lento the way it isikhathi eside ngeke basakwazi uku-achieve indaba ejothi mhlawumbe bazo-achieve khona konke sesiside isikhathi.
Okay. All right, no ngicabanga angivale manje. Ayicathi no asivale manje mfokazi Zikalala. I know ukuthi sisazobuya. By the way, uZikalala a contributor especially kuyona ke le podcast. So I have something for you as a contributor because I'll see you on the guest. Thank you saying yabona. I'll see you on the guest. But ke uyi-contributor yalo ke uhlelo. Yabona? So this one is for you as a contributor. Yalo uhlelo exactly yabona abanye beza as ama guest but wena usiyona i-guest uyi-contributor. Why ngiluku ngisho lento it's simply because sizo release ama sizo release with uZikalala now and then you understand the way sizobe kudilwa khona nama issues akhona nje ubona kwipolitiki jahwana kanjena kusanamacala ekuthiwa kwantshotshwa amavoti sazokhuluma ngaleyo nto leyo ukuthi iyaqhubeka noma iqhubeki yini you know ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo kwipolitiki. I understand njengamanje there is iGNU and then kuma province kune GPU and I can tell you now kusazoyiswana enkantolo yabona especially nangendlela ekuzohlukana ngayo ezisikhuluma manje asithintanga but ezisikhuluma manje kunomphathi wakaNongoma omusha usanda ku-appointwa kuthena kabambe njengoba kune challenge yokuthi imayor uspeaker city manager bavulelwa amacala so you know ziningi izinto ezenzayo and then sizoyidinga assistant yakho lapho.
Anytime anytime.
All right.
Yabonga kakhulu.
Sabonga kakhulu mfokazi Zikalala.
Bonga mina mfowethu.
Sure. Ama-office akho kuphi konje?
Durban Club Place 7th floor. Watch in your 7th floor Durban Club Place awusofika.
Lapha eGwilini?
Yazi
ngiyabuza phela abameli laba abaqhamuka namasuitcase amakhulu yabona yabo belandelwa inqwaba abantu yabawushithile abameli abala ngijula abameli labe bayigwili ngempela
lutho mfethu ama-office
all right no kulungile mfazela sibonge kakhulu. All right siyabonga ngicabanga next week uzothola episode 7 sokwazi ukuthi ke sikulethele wona and kukhona omunye wabaholi esobe sikhuluma naye oyi-politician and lento epolitiki uyiqonda kakhulu and I know ukuthi izinto esobe sikhuluma ngazo izinto ezokuthinta njengomuntu ke othanda especially ipolitiki nomuntu othanda ingxoxo. Igama nguMxoliso kaMhlongo Stressless and then lena ke Imbizo podcast. Khumbula ukusilandela inkundleni zokuxhumana Imbizo TV, right? Imbizo TV and then bese uyasubscribe kule channel uclick leli button leli lokuthi sikunotify njalo uma si-eda anything la ku channel yethu. Until we meet again, of which is next week, Godspeed.